Welcome to this accoADE tutorial. During the next 2 minutes, I will show you how to create a new configuration on accoADE. When you start the app, you will see the welcome page. If you don't want to see it, you can click checkmark to hide this page. To begin, click on Create New Configuration. Now we see the configuration template. Start with giving a configuration name, such as accoADE test. Then type the data source details, the server address where a database that you would like to edit is located. For this tutorial, we use AdventureWorks database. Change the authentication mode from integrated to login. Then type in the credentials, username and password to access your database. Click on Get Tables. You will get a list of tables in the drop-down menu. Choose the table that you would like to edit for this configuration. You can choose the available edit actions such as update, insert, or delete. You can also filter the columns of the table by specifying a validation rule. We will skip this step in this configuration. Now click the next tab, Columns. Then click the drop-down menu and you will see a list of columns. You should assign one of them as primary key. Select the one that you would like to assign, then click checkbox as primary key and auto-increment it. Now, click the next tab, UI. In the User Interface Configuration tab, you can choose another skin, or you can change the toolbar button labels and display names. Now, go back to the Column Configuration tab and select another column to edit. You can change the column display name here in Column Configuration. Now, click on Save As. Then your configuration will be saved as with the given configuration name, and you will be automatically redirected to your grid. Now I've shown you how to create a basic new configuration on accoADE. Thanks for watching.